Hello, Lei Ho, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we will be learning about people. You will notice as we are going through the topic that some words are spoken in one way but written in another. For an explanation of why we do this, please see my other video titled Why Spoken Cantonese is Different to Written Chinese. The link is posted in the description below. Now let's begin. Person,
人
person,
人
family,
家庭
family,
家庭
parents,
父母
parents,
父母
mother,
媽媽
mother,
媽媽
father,
爸爸
father,
爸爸
maternal grandma,
婆婆
maternal grandma,
婆婆
maternal grandpa,
公公
maternal grandpa,
公公
paternal grandma,
媽媽
paternal grandma,
媽媽
paternal grandpa,
爺爺
paternal grandpa,
爺爺
older brother,
哥哥
older brother,
哥哥
younger brother,
弟弟
younger brother,
弟弟
older sister,
姐姐
older sister,
姐姐
younger sister,
妹妹
younger sister,
妹妹
woman,
女人
woman,
女人
man,
男人
man,
男人
boy, in spoken Cantonese,
男仔男仔
boy, in written Chinese,
男孩男孩
girl, in spoken Cantonese,
女仔女仔
girl, in written Chinese,
女孩女孩
child,
孩子
child,
孩子
policeman,
警察
policeman,
警察
firefighter,
消防員
firefighter,
消防員
nurse,
護士
nurse,
護士
doctor,
醫生
doctor,
醫生
teacher,
老師
teacher,
老師
classmates,
同學
classmates,
同學
friend,
朋友
friend,
朋友
me or I,
我
me or I,
我
you,
你
you,
你
he, in spoken Cantonese,
佢
he, in written Chinese,
他
she, in spoken Cantonese,
佢
she, in written Chinese,
他
we, in spoken Cantonese,
我哋 我哋
We, in written Chinese.
我們
They, in spoken Cantonese.
佢哋
They, in written Chinese.
他們
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, why not check out our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Bye!